you guys, so I'm excited about this video because I'm just excited. So if you keep up with me on like social media, then you know that I am studying abroad this school year. It should be my senior year, but because I'm going abroad, you know, it's my abroad year, and then when I come back, I'll be doing my senior year. So this video is just going to be about what I'm packing, what I'm going to be bringing with me to Spain this year. I'm staying from September, so it's September like 10th now, and I leave on the 17th. I think that's Monday, so like a week from now. Yeah, so I'm leaving in a week from now, and I have to get my life together. So this video is just gonna be what I'm showing you guys. Hopefully it'll be helpful. I watched a lot of other people's YouTube videos to give me like a sense of what I should bring. But a lot of people don't stay the full school year. They'll stay like 4 months or 6 months, but I'm staying like an entire 9 months there. So my original plan was to just bring one large suitcase, one carry-on, and one personal item. But because I'm going to be there for so long, and I know I'm gonna bring a bunch of stuff back with me, or gonna want to bring a bunch of stuff back with me, I decided to bring 2 suitcases, one carry-on, and then one personal item. So I'm just gonna show you the sizes of my luggage. So the first one like literally comes up to my waist, like my waist. It's pretty big. My room's pretty messy because I'm trying to get my life together in these bags. But yeah, and then the second one's just kind of like a normal size, you know, suitcase. And then that's my carry-on. My friend Leo got me it. Shout out to you, girl. Shout out to you. And then this is my carry-on, or my personal bag, which is like a duffel bag. It's got a lot of space in there, so I figured I can put a bunch of stuff bring a bunch of stuff on the plane with me. So yeah, obviously these are soft, and then that's a hard case. That's gonna be like my weekend thing. Like if I wanna go travel someplace for a few days, then I'm gonna bring that with me. So because I have a week, that means I have not started packing yet. I have a whole week to procrastinate, but I have so much. I'm like kind of stressed about it, so I'm starting to pack. I've like got basically all my laundry together. I just need to pack, decide what I'm bringing. I've actually like given away a lot of clothes already, because I mean, might as well, since I'm, you know. But yeah, so that's what this video is. I'm about to start packing right now, and it's not like I'm not gonna finish packing today. You're gonna see me with different hair, because this is a wig. You're gonna see me with different clothes throughout the week, because it's not getting done today. It's probably not gonna get done until the day before I leave, and that's just that. So this is kind of like a vlog, but yeah. So today I went to the store to pick up some last minute things that I think that I would have that I'm gonna need. It was a lot, and my bank account hate me. So I went to the hair store. That's what this stuff is, because I'm going to do my hair. And then I went to Rainbow, and I just got some like basic shirts, because everybody says like, you know, buy like some, what do they say? They say buy versatile clothing. So I just got some basic shirts or whatever from there. From Walmart, I basically just got a bunch of hygiene products and like small things that I don't like. If I go over to Spain, I don't know where to get these things from. So I got like hair ties and bobby pins, some AAA batteries, like a spray bottle, and some toothbrushes, tampons, razors. Oh y'all, I got these super cute luggage tag holders from Walmart. They were literally only $2. They say enjoy the little things. And that's just funny because they go on all my biggest suitcases. I'm about to leave. Okay, so I'm in such a rush, and I'm such a procrastinator. I'm literally about to leave in like 20 minutes, and I completely forgot to tell you guys what I brought, so let me hurry up and do that. My largest suitcase, I have my boots, because I'm going to be there for the entire school year, and it's gonna get cold, so I have boots, and I have socks stuffed in them so that they don't, you know, get wrinkled and stuff. So yeah, I've stuffed them with socks. My Vans. So what I'm bringing, okay, shoes I'm bringing are these boots, my Vans, some sneakers, my chocolates looking joints, and then I've also got my Chucks, my handy dandy Chucks, some walking shoe or just some cute little shoes, flats, and then like I'm gonna use my Adidas slides as some like shower shoes. So you saw that I just pulled out this large thing. It is a packing cube. Now I'm really happy that I bought these packing cubes. I got them from Amazon, and I'll leave a link below, because they just made my packing experience like really so much easier. I just stuffed everything in them, and then I still have, like, I made them so it's enough room in my suitcase. So this one is filled with some dresses, and I brought some sheets. So it's dresses, sheets, and then I have 2 purses in here and my fanny pack and a belt. That's in that packing cube. And this smaller one, I have like underwear, socks, bras, and my hair scarves, like my wraps and stuff. Also, take these shoes away. I'm bringing 3 jackets, a huge winter coat, 2 sweaters, yeah. I'm gonna have to do this over because this is horrible. And in this giant packing cube, I have 1,000,000 pairs of pants. In this giant packing cube, I have sweats, shorts, jeans, and leggings all in here. Like, it's stuffed to capacity, but I have about 20 pairs of bottoms in here, so that's pretty cool because I just stuffed it in here, and now I can just plop it in there and it made room. So let's put these back. I honestly think that how I packed was pretty strategic, because I don't have, these aren't super full, like they're not super heavy. I'm not putting anything really in there. There's a couple things in that one, but none of these are super heavy, and there's not a lot of stuff. And half of this suitcase is stuff that I know I'm not going to bring back. So in this suitcase, I have obviously this packing cube, and it's full of all my shirts, my tank tops, my cute shirts, my t-shirts. Everything's in this packing cube. I remove that. Underneath, got my shoes, this power strip. I've got this power strip because instead of buying a whole bunch of converters, I just have one converter, and then I'm going to use this power strip. An umbrella that I actually bought there, and I was like, okay, well, let me just bring that back. This whole bag is full of black hair products. Now, when you are going abroad, I talked to plenty of my friends who've like gone abroad, and they all say to bring, I have my hair wrap on now, they all say to bring your own hair products when it comes, if you're black, because they don't have anything for black people over there. So I stocked up. I'm not gonna take it out right now because I'm about to leave, but just know I stocked up on hair products, moisturizers, everything, gels, because I know I'm going for I needed a whole year's worth. So that's what I did, and I know I'm not gonna bring them back. So that's cool, because all this space that I have in this little suitcase, it's going to be freed up. I'm not bringing any of these little items back. This baggie is just full of like my face washes and stuff that I put on my face, my contacts, some deodorant, contact solution, lotion, African shea butter is all in here, all in this baggie. And I put it in baggies so that just in case something were to explode, at least it would be in this baggie and not all over my suitcase. And then in this one, I have some rose water, edge control, nail file. This is stuff that I could have got there except for the rose water. But I just brought it here with me. What else? Some razors, some eyebrow razors, needles, threads, normal razors, biotin. Yeah, that's in that one. I just bought these little jars just in case, like, for when I want to do like a weekend trip or something. I just have these like little carrier things. Some AAA batteries for my face scrub, yeah. And then this giant thing of gel, Eco Styler gel, some Dove soap, some sensitive Dove soap, and then these in this package is I brought 2 of them, but they're Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner, because this is my favorite brand, so I just had to make sure I had enough. Got enough while I was there. This is a makeup palette. This is an eyeshadow palette. Some notebooks, my graphite pencils. This is my makeup, and that is all that's in this one. Carry-on suitcase, my little hard burgundy one. And really, I just put a whole bunch of BS in here. These are cookies that my grandma made me. I have to bring those. Just like some little things, just in case my suitcases were to get lost. So perfume, my glasses and contacts, some contact solution, a selfie stick, my eraser for my pencils, deodorant, pencils, some Eco Styler gel, whatever the freak that is, some leftover rose water, my spin brush, a pair, an outfit just in case, a hat, my Spanish books and notebooks, and I'm bringing my roller skates. So that's all that's in that bag. I'm also bringing my book bag, which just has my notebook, some stuff I need for my school, some papers I'll need for my school, and my neck pillow and my earphones. And that concludes everything that I'm bringing with me. I know it seems like a lot, but I'm going for an entire year, so I need a lot. So that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to make this video as to seem as not rushed as possible, but it was really rushed because I'm such a slacker. Don't be like me, guys. I'm so stressed right now. But yeah, thanks. Bye. Bye, y'all. I love you.